You can go in or out, down or up. I like to have it close to the wall, but not too close so that it will vibrate. So the closest hole where it's not going to vibrate. A temporary hold something in place, and you don't want to use the screws because you want to see how it looks.
Oh, there you go.
Okay.
Wow. Okay.
I can temporarily put it here. Just half click it in. Just half click it in there. I can stand back, go, yes, I like it, or not. I go, no, I want to go one hole up. Take it out, put it one hole up. Instead of drilling in, drilling out, drilling in, drilling out, that's what this is for.